for. Cobb County in north central Georgia until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jim R. Miller Park, or over Marietta, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Acworth, Fair Oaks, Whitewater Park, and West, Lost Mountain Park, Kennesaw State University, Dobbins Air Reserve Base and Jim R. Miller Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4664 to report at NWS Atlanta.